Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun Cricut tutorial, so let's get started. I'm really excited about this project. Today I'm showing you how to make magnets with Cricut. This method is super easy and may save you lots of time and frustration. To start, let's go through the process of uploading your image into Cricut Design Space. Once you have uploaded your design and created a print then cut image, resize your image as needed. You will also need to add an offset as shown here. I like to change the color of the offset to white to match my finished project, but you can do what you want. Next, you're going to group the offset and the image together, and then you'll want to flatten the image to make sure the Cricut only cuts the outline of the images. Once you resize to fit your page, follow the prompts as shown to print. Be sure to set your printer to best quality and print on photo paper for a crisp image. Next, select Magnetic Sheet from the materials list and load the deep point blade. I also like to use more pressure when cutting. Now this is where it's getting exciting. You may have seen other methods of making magnets that require cutting vinyl, laminate, and magnetic sheets separately. But with the Xyron Creative Station and the laminate and magnetic refill, you only need to cut your magnets once, and no additional assembly is required. Once you have your Xyron set up, pass your print through the Xyron by turning the handle. You'll want to also trim the excess magnet to get it as close to the paper's edge as possible. Now you'll need a strong grip mat and some painter's tape. Be careful not to cover the black box, which is a registration mark that the Cricut needs to determine the cutting path. Follow the prompts in Cricut Design Space and cut. I'm really loving how they turned out. The laminate has a really nice gloss to it. I hope you'll try out this project, and please let me know what you think by commenting below. Be sure to subscribe for more weekly Cricut videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.